Hey YouTube, AppleX142 here. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard for their Macs. So yeah, this is just going to be a little unboxing. I picked this up today in the Covent Garden Apple store since I was in London for the day, so I thought I'll just pick this up since I need one, because the keyboard I have now isn't actually an official Apple one, it's just a replica sort of thing. And this is going to go well with the Magic Trackpad, which I got a few days ago as well. So yeah, so I've already cut the plastic, so you know, just to save time, it's still on, but I've just like peeled a bit off. So on the front we have the actual Magic or the wireless keyboard from the side. On the back we have it from the other side. You can see where the batteries go in. You've got the price up there, £57 for me. Apple logo on the side, Apple logo on the other side as well. Wireless keyboard on the top, and on this side we just got some little information about it. So if we just peel this back, this is where I just cut it beforehand, just to save time, since it's a little bit thinly to get underneath that gap. So yeah, we'll just peel the plastic off like so, and we'll put that to the side, and I think you open it like this. Yeah, okay. And then there we have the actual keyboard itself, a little tab to pull that out, put it off to the side for a second, and then we just got the wireless keyboard instruction manual things here, so in a little plastic envelope thing. Let's take a look at that. We just got the instructions, like what you can do with it, I guess all the shortcuts, keyboard things, warranty, stuff like that. So yeah, the main thing here is the actual keyboard itself. So if we just peel this plastic back, from the back it seems, so this is going to be quite loud. Okay, let's pull that off, and there we have the actual keyboard itself. I really like this keyboard. I've been wanting to get it for a while, just never got around to it. Let's peel these little plastic bits off of the end. Okay, I'm assuming it has battery in it. It should light up. Yep, it does. And I'll connect this other later. I might have a review coming. I probably won't, but if I need to do videos, I might do a review. I'm not promising anything, but yeah, you can subscribe and see if that happens. But if it does happen, I'll post the link in the description below. So yeah, that's it for this video. So yep, if you like this video, please thumbs up, favourite, and subscribe. If you subscribe, you get updates YouTube promise on a video. Also, if you want, you can follow me on Twitter, on my Facebook, and check my website. All links down below in the description. I'll see you in this video. Peace.